Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you quick and easy way to make clove oil at home. Clove oil can be used for treating toothache, muscle pain. You can also apply it on your hair or skin. So continue watching to find out all the benefits of clove oil. I'll be making use of double boiler method. I have water on the pot. I'm going to place the jar into the pot of boiling water and allow to boil for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I will remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the oil has cooled down, I'll be using a strainer to strain to get the oil. At this stage, if you don't want to strain the oil, you can still leave it to infuse for more days. Finally, the clove oil is ready. Applying this clove oil on your skin, you can feel slightly warm sensation. It has a strong, spicy, sweet and warm aroma. I'm going to filter the oil, but this is optional depending on what you want to use the oil for. Clove oil will help to reduce sagginess of the skin. It will prevent appearance of fine lines. It is also powerful anti-aging ingredient. That's why it is used in cosmetics. It will help to remove any dead skin cells and help in circulation and reduce hair fall and promote hair growth. The warming sensation of the clove oil will help to relieve any muscle pain. It will help to increase blood circulation. You can use it for your hair. You can apply it on your skin. If you're having toothache, use a cotton pad, add the clove oil on it and apply it on your tooth. It will help to relieve any pain. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.